Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your OnePlus 12R. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or case because it can cause the interference, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever you have a case that's covering even a tiny part of the screen, if it's not stopping at the screen bezels, then you can be assured that this is the reason that the ghost touches appear. Now, for the screen protector, if it's poorly applied, if it's going off the edges, if it's going towards the side of the phone, and for example, this whole part is like uncovered by it, then it can also cause your phone to have ghost touches and you won't be able to, let's say, perform a lot of movements. And this happened because I was holding my finger for too long. So, what you guys can do next is clean your screen to remove any debris or moisture, also including the fingerprints, so your screen would be shiny. All you have to do is give your screen a few wipes, so 3 or 4 wipes are definitely enough to keep your phone shiny. And what you guys can do next, as a last resort, is update your software. So go over into the settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down until you see the last section with these 5 options. We're going to go to the first one, so the system and update. We're going to go to software update and it will check for updates automatically. All you need is a stable Wi-Fi connection, and my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest software so there's no old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.